You can now edit your videos in the app. Click on Studio and it'll say Sound Sync, Edit, Sound, Text, and Overlay. Click on Edit and it's going to bring you here, and we're going to split the video. You also have your speed, volume, rotate, and delete button at the bottom. You see an arrow pointing left, click that, and then click Sound, choose the sound, and that's how you insert it. Let's go ahead and click Text, and this is where you will go to add your text, and you can place it anywhere on the video just like before. Next, we're going to click on Overlay, and then we're going to choose a video or a picture to insert. This will kind of give you like that picture-in-picture effect instead of going and using a green screen. Notice how I am deleting that video so that the repurpose your TikTok videos can show immediately after the video that's on top. When you hold down any video, it allows you to adjust the clip where you want it to start and finish. Let me know if you like this tutorial video.